a normal thing for people to resign. It's not a problem. For all sorts of reasons. There are some countries where people resign every week from literally. So that's a normal thing. So that should not be a surprise to anybody. But Kcca is an institution. It's not an individual. It's an institution. And it's an institution that we built on a very, very strong foundation the last 7 years. We have built very resilient systems, very resilient. That's why we have unqualified audit opinions for our financial management. That's why the revenue has grown to almost 200%. That's why we are getting awards from all over the world because of what we're doing. That's why you're seeing the things that you see, not just in infrastructure, which is very visible, but in health, in education, in systems, in our data center, our traffic control center, our client care center. All those are very, very strong foundations that we've laid to manage the different aspects of Kcca service delivery as an institution. Now, backed to support those very, very good resilient systems that we've built at a very high cost to government and us, the individuals that have been working to put them in place. We have also got a very, very strong base of partnerships. One of them is the World Food Programme, as we're signing off today. This morning we were opening a maternity ward facility in one of our health centers in Kawala, supported by the money that we get from BOU, but also a lot of money coming from partners that are coming on board to help us. These systems and these partners remain. And one of the other most critical facets of Kcca is the human resource. We have built very, very professional, very efficient, very dedicated, and very able teams in our different areas. We have 10 directorates, as you know, whether it's public health, whether it's revenue, whether it's gender and community services, whether it's education, whether it's sports. We have the best football club in the region, in the country, in the region, and I think in Africa. Best football team. If you don't support Kcca FC, you're in the wrong place. But so we have all these. We have the teams, the technical teams, the professional teams. We have the systems. We have the partners, and we have the central government, and we have the law. That is what makes Kcca. And so with proper coordination and support, Kcca is here to stay for a very, very long time. People come and go, but institutions, if they are built on strong foundations, stay for a very, very long time.